Hey everyone, want to make YouTube videos with Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-powered YouTube content step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Start a new video project using the AI video creation tools. Next, plan your YouTube video idea and decide what type of content you want to create, such as tutorials, storytelling videos, animations, or visual scenes. Now choose text to video asterisk or image to video and create your first scene. Write a detailed prompt describing the visuals you want. Include the subject, background, camera movement, lighting, and video style to help Luma AI generate better results. Next, create multiple clips for different parts of your video and make sure each scene matches your overall story. After generating your clips, review the results and improve any scenes by adjusting your prompts or creating new versions. Next, combine your AI-generated clips with voiceover, background music, captions, and additional edits using a video editing tool. Finally, export your completed video in the correct format and upload it to your YouTube channel. And that's how to make YouTube videos with Luma AI. With creative ideas, detailed prompts, and proper editing, you can create engaging AI-powered videos for your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.